Welcome to Visionary Designs. Today, we're diving into the art of transforming small, narrow living rooms into stunning, modern, minimalist spaces. This style is perfect for compact areas, emphasizing clean lines, simplicity, and functionality. Let's explore how you can turn even the tiniest of living rooms into a stylish, functional haven. Clean lines and simplicity. Let's start with the basics: clean lines and simplicity. In a minimalist living room, less is more. You want to eliminate any unnecessary clutter. This means choosing furniture and decor that have a clear purpose and simple design. Imagine a sofa with sleek, straight lines and no ornate details. This approach creates a sense of order and calm, which is crucial in small spaces. For instance, think about a sofa with a simple, streamlined design. It doesn't overpower the room, but provides ample seating. In addition to furniture, consider the layout. A minimalist room often uses an open layout to maximize space and create an airy feel. Avoid overcrowding your space with too many pieces. Instead, focus on a few essential items that provide both comfort and functionality. This can significantly enhance the overall atmosphere, making it feel more spacious and less confined. Color palette. Next up is the color palette. Modern minimalist spaces often feature whites, grays, and beiges. These light, neutral colors help make the room feel larger and more open. Picture your walls painted a crisp white, complemented by a light gray sofa. But don't worry, minimalist doesn't mean boring. You can add splashes of color with throw pillows, rugs, or artwork. Just keep it minimal. A few well-chosen pieces can add a lot of personality without cluttering the space. Using different shades of the same color can add depth and interest without overwhelming the room. For example, various shades of gray can create a sophisticated, layered look. Additionally, consider the texture. Smooth, glossy surfaces reflect light and make the space feel more open, while matte finishes add warmth and depth. Balancing these textures can create a more dynamic and inviting space. Functional furniture. In a small living room, every piece of furniture should serve a purpose. Ideally, it should serve more than one purpose. Consider a sofa with built-in storage or a coffee table that doubles as a desk. Multifunctional furniture is a game changer in minimalist design. It helps keep the room uncluttered and maximizes the utility of your space. For instance, an ottoman with hidden storage can serve as extra seating, a coffee table, and a place to stash blankets. Look for furniture that can adapt to your needs. A modular sofa can be rearranged to fit different situations, whether you're entertaining guests or relaxing alone. Wall-mounted desks and fold-out tables can provide workspace when needed and be tucked away when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space. Natural light. Natural light is another key element. If you have windows, make sure to keep them unobstructed to let in as much light as possible. Light, airy curtains are a great choice because they provide privacy without blocking the light. Imagine sunlight streaming in, making the space feel warm and inviting. Natural light helps to make the room feel bigger and more welcoming. It also highlights the simplicity and beauty of your minimalist design. Consider the direction your windows face. South-facing windows provide the most consistent natural light throughout the day, while east and west-facing windows offer brighter morning and afternoon light, respectively. Use mirrors strategically to reflect light and create the illusion of more space. Placing a mirror opposite a window can effectively double the amount of natural light in the room. Minimal decor. When it comes to decorating, less truly is more. Choose a few statement pieces that reflect your personality and keep the rest minimal. A large mirror can be a fantastic addition because it not only adds a decorative element, but also makes the room feel more spacious. Similarly, a few well-placed plants can bring a touch of nature inside and add life to the room without overwhelming it. Think of a single piece of abstract art on the wall. Just one, not a gallery. And a couple of potted plants strategically placed. Incorporate functional decor. Floating shelves can display your favorite items while providing additional storage. Choose pieces that blend form and function, like stylish storage baskets or sleek, modern lighting. This approach keeps the room looking clean and uncluttered while still showcasing your personal style. Psychological effects. Now, let's talk about the psychological effects of a minimalist living room. This design style creates a sense of peace and tranquility. The absence of clutter allows your mind to relax, which is particularly beneficial in a small space. The open, airy feeling created by light colors and natural light can also help reduce stress and make you feel more at ease. The simplicity and order of minimalist design contribute to a sense of well-being and happiness. Walking into a clean, uncluttered room at the end of a long day can be incredibly refreshing. Minimalist spaces encourage mindfulness. When you have fewer distractions, you can focus better on the present moment. This can improve your mood and overall mental health. The clean, uncluttered environment can also boost creativity and productivity, making it a great space for both relaxation and work. Personal touches. While minimalism emphasizes simplicity, it doesn't mean your space should lack personality. Add personal touches that make the room feel like home. Family photos, travel souvenirs, or your favorite books can be displayed in a way that doesn't overwhelm the space. The key is to curate these items carefully, choosing a few meaningful pieces rather than filling the room with many items. Practical tips. Let's talk about some practical tips for maintaining a minimalist living room. Regular decluttering is essential. Make it a habit to go through your belongings periodically and remove anything that you no longer use or love. This helps prevent the accumulation of unnecessary items and keeps the space feeling fresh. Invest in quality over quantity. High-quality furniture and decor not only look better, but also last longer. This means you'll need to replace items less frequently, contributing to a more sustainable and cohesive design. Technology. Integration. In the modern world, integrating technology seamlessly into your living room is crucial. Opt for minimalist entertainment units that hide cables and devices. Wall-mounted TVs save space and provide a clean look. Smart home devices like voice-controlled assistants and automated lighting can enhance the functionality of your minimalist space without adding visual clutter. To sum it up, a modern minimalist living room is all about clean lines, a neutral color palette, functional furniture, and lots of natural light. By following these principles, you can transform even the smallest, narrowest living room into a beautiful, serene space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more home design tips and inspirations. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, for